wild beaches, historic sites, and vibrant markets. In the UK, having internet access from the moment you arrive can really make your trip easier. Here's how to stay connected immediately with the best eSIM for UK with Saily. What is Saily? It's an eSIM management app that lets you stay connected anywhere in the world without having to buy a physical SIM card on arrival. You download Saily on iPhone or Android, choose the amount of data you need for your stay, and the eSIM installs in just a few clicks without removing your current SIM card. The line activates automatically as soon as you arrive at your destination, with no extra steps needed. Saily also sends an alert when you've used 80% of your data, so you won't be caught off guard during your trip. For those visiting multiple countries, you can choose a regional or global plan from over 150 available destinations. Support is also available 24/7 if needed. In short, it's the perfect tool for stress-free connected travel. Simply start by opening the Saily website or app. To get a 10% discount, use the link in the description, the pinned comment, or the QR code displayed on screen. These are the only ways to activate the promo code. Then create your account or log in within seconds. Once logged in, go to the destinations list and search directly for UK eSIM. You'll then see several data plans for the UK specifically designed for using a virtual SIM card in the UK, depending on the length of your stay. Next, choose the amount of data you need. For checking itineraries, using public transport, or sending messages, a small UK eSIM plan may be enough. But if you frequently use maps, translations, or share photos from London, Edinburgh, or Manchester, you may want to go for an unlimited data eSIM for the UK. Once you've selected your plan, proceed to checkout. Before finalizing, make sure to enter the promo code shown in the description in the designated field to automatically apply the 10% discount on your best eSIM for UK. After payment, Saily guides you step-by-step to install your eSIM for traveling in the UK. Just follow the instructions displayed, then activate the line once you arrive in the UK to be connected immediately without needing a physical SIM card in the UK. The link to access Saily and enjoy the discount is available in the description, the pinned comment, or via the QR code displayed on screen. Only accessing through these means allows you to activate the promo code.